Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It is Ray Natural here, back with another video to help you live your blessed life. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on BSavvy's hair, doing some finger coils on her hair, also giving you all an update because I believe last year around this time, Mother's Day, I'll insert a picture, she was pretty much a bald headed, so I'm just excited to be able to do a tutorial on her hair and show you all her finger coils. I'm going to be doing our hair for our... Before we go any further, if you have not, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications when I upload my videos weekly. Mommy and me Mother's Day photo shoots for Mother's Day, so I'm excited, like I said, to finally be able to show you all a tutorial on her hair. And her hair type is different from mine, so I love to just feature different hair types on this channel just to give a nice array of variety of content for you all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial.
I will never marry you. Father, I truly Prince
stop.
Ali. Prince Ali, better check out. Prince Ali. How in the heck? Tell him the truth, Jafar. You tried to have me killed. What ridiculous nonsense, Your Highness. He is obviously lying. Father, what's wrong with you? I know what's wrong.
Stop.
We'll just see about that.
Turn your head. Turn around. Shake it.